So let's get cooking. Morel mushrooms. Stay tuned here with us. We got an onion. We got some seasoning, some vegeta. Brother Mujahid is getting it from over there. Asmir is gonna prepare it for us today. I'm done cooking for the day. Here you go, brothers. Wash it, you know.
A mogu sam s nožom i strugati ovaj.
Sad će on to. Pa no te malo brojeta šta fali. This is how you wash mushrooms. Right here. See? This is, when you know, you know.
Ma ko zna, zna, ko ne zna, da, jaran. I like this a lot, man.
One by one, bro, nice.
What? Oh, I see.
Here you go.
Da. It's still there. Malo nam ti iscijedi, malo nam ti pešurke boraz odradi. Bismillah. A ja ću da nam laganini satiram ovaj, kako se zove, onions. Oh, počeo onions smell a little bit. O, evo ga, novi onaj, kako se zove. Came through.
Brother Asmir
Ovo je tamo.
is gonna start cooking this.
Ovo je
I wish you guys can smell this. These onions are sauteed already. There you go. This is how you go do it, guys. You see?
Yeah.
There you go. Look at this, you guys. Look at this. This is gonna be so good, inshallah. Oh, that smells so
Kao da
good.
neki onion, onaj mushroom soup.
Oh man, that smells so good. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. Oh, mashallah, look at that.
I'll leave the phone in the car. I'll wake up.
Okay, like this?
Gdje je u kašma super?
No, ti ćeš jesti u tom kašku. Evo ovaj mora se Viljuško naći sa ovom, a?
Boc, ja se kaže, vidiš.
Ono gdje mi nodu ovaj. No, da malo, da se viđa koliko je na dišao.
Alhamdulillah,
Ja mislim, that this is good like this.
Alhamdulillah.
Here you go.
Alhamdulillah.
Here you go. Oh, you guys want some water?
Gdje je malo supce, gdje vam odmah? Tamam.
Ne morate voda. You gotta see this, guys.
Wow. Kako je čorba dobra za močti. Wow.
Bismillah. So, if you guys don't hear from us anymore, don't see us anymore, please forgive us for everything.
Yes. Dude, you can say whatever you want. Bro, daj da malo mučimo za sup, Allah, sve više.
Hajde. Ja te natresem.
Namo.
How was the food?
Wow.
Thanks to Brother Asmir. Brother Asmir did an amazing job. Very exceptional job over here by Brother Asmir.
A different experience. Just a little bit of onions, vegeta, and this mushrooms. And the mushroom is what made the difference, no doubt about it. And the best part about it was the mushroom goo, mushroom soup. I mean, it was amazing. No doubt about it. Alhamdulillah.
So,
My pleasure. First time on the channel. Hope you guys love it. Subscribe it, thumbs up, and share and keep up the good work.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.